Hi class, I want to give you a little information on the Lifeboat group activity, but first I want to say I read all your feedback from the Pulse taking survey and I really appreciate your ideas, and I just want to say thank you for the nice kind words, and I really try hard to make this class something that is going to help you in the future. So I feel like every activity, I hope you're feeling like, okay, I could use this in the workplace or, in my life. And it's just so many great tools that we should all be using. And so thank you. Really enjoying you guys, and um, I appreciate all your comments. So to talk about the lifeboat activity, this discussion board is going to be a little bit different because you're going to be working with a group instead of individually. And I know some of you don't like that, and I'm not making you pick your groups, which I never liked. If I had to pick a group, I like just being assigned. So you're assigned a group, and there's going to be 5 to 6 members, maybe less, depending on the enrollment in the class, or like if someone dropped. But if someone doesn't post, initially, I will reach out to them and let your group know if they're going to participate or if you can just continue on without them. So the lifeboat activity is going to be worth more points too, so because there's more involved. So one thing that makes it more involved is you're going to have a different due date. You're going to have a Monday due date as well as a Wednesday due date for this discussion board. It's the only way I can really motivate students to make sure that they posted their initial 3 that they want to keep in the lifeboat so that we can get the discussion rolling. So the main thing that I see when I go to grade this discussion board is that students aren't using the persuasive rhetoric tools. The whole idea is for you to learn how to work in a group, use those decision-making skills, those problem-solving skills, the critical thinking skills, all that we've really been working on, and to help you persuade someone to do what you feel is right. And you're going to find this in the workplace, that you're going to work in groups, and some of you like to work in groups and some of you don't, but most likely you're going to be working with other people and you're going to have to take their suggestions and feedback into consideration, because I think all of us think our way is the right way, but not necessarily. Like if you can really open yourself up to listening to other people's ideas and then learning how to use the rhetoric tools to persuade them, like if they're not seeing your side of your view. So that's the whole goal. I really want you to work on that skill. And if you really pay attention to the grading rubric, you'll see that that's what I'm giving you points for, is that discussion. Like really not just, okay, I agree, but let's talk about why and how I feel and what about this, and really getting in there, engaging. So that's what I'm really looking for in this discussion board. So as always, over here, feel free to send me an email if you have any questions about this assignment. Everybody needs to agree by Wednesday. I give you a little leeway on Thursday because I don't want just one person to say, okay, this is what we've decided. I want everybody in the group to say, I agree, I agree, I agree, with the consensus. So that's super important that you all say agree by Thursday to get points for that. So read through this. I really try to make everything very self-explanatory. I've been teaching this class for a long time, so anytime I get a question, I kind of add it to everything so that it can be really clear for you. But if it's not, just email me and I'll get right back to you. Okay, so here's some frequently asked questions. That's about it for Lifeboat. You just keep up the good work. I just really enjoying you guys. Okay, take care. Thanks. Bye.